back to my YouTube channel. So if you're a new subscriber, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you are a return subscriber, I also welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your own email flashing system. So this sends email, this sends emails to users depending on the chains that you use. You can see all the chains that are in this place. So you can see all the chains that are in this place. So this system sends the email. You can use a withdrawal email, you can use a deposit email, you can also use a custom email, and also set, you can use a warning, you can put a warning message on that email. I'm just going to be showing you how everything works. So now this is not your regular type of script. So how this script work is that before user can be able to use the system, first they need to have an active subscription. You can see subscription required. You don't have any active subscription. Subscribe now to unlock all the billing features and the premium services. So now I don't have any active subscription, but if I click on this Binance and I can't use this, you can see that this page is just showing, but I cannot use this page. So okay, it's going to be redirecting me to this page so that I can be able to just buy a plan. So you can see, so if I come to my active plan and you can see there is no active plan, no plan is active here. So if I come to my expired plan, I think I have one expired plan. And if you look at the footer, you can see no plan. Once you have a active plan, this no plan is going to be active and it's going to be green. So now we have billing system and all that. So, but before we can be able to use all these services, so this is the billing system. Before we can be able to use all these services, we need to subscribe. You can see you need to subscribe. So now for you to be able to subscribe, you need the amount of 30,000 naira. But you can set it up. You can add any amounts that you want. You can use 10,000, 5,000, depending on what you set or what you add on your admin section. So this is customizable. So you can just add any amounts that you want on your admin section. So mind you that this is the user section. So this is the user section. All right. So now we need the sum of 30,000 naira, and what I have in my balance is 20,000 naira. So I just need to add more 10,000 naira for me to be able to use this service. So we can also, if you want to deposit money, but mind you that this video is for educational purpose only. So this video is for educational purpose only. So now we can just come to these deposit funds. You can use Bitcoin, you can use wallet transfer, whatever thing that you want. So you can see, you can select USSD, then you can just select your amount. Then once you select your amount, then click on proceed to payments. Once you click on proceed to payments, we are going to be coming to this page where you need to copy the wallet address, make your payments, upload the proof of your payments, and confirm your payments. So the admin is going to check your payments if you actually make the payments and approve your payments. Once you have an active once your admin approve the payment, it's going to be reflected on your dashboard. So it's going to be reflected on your dashboard. So now let me just quickly fund my account and let's check it. All right, so I think I have funded my account with 50,000 naira. I just need to refresh this page. So we are going to be seeing 50,000 naira here now. Now for these things to work, we just need to click on subscribe now. Then we choose this plan. So then we choose a plan. So this is the plan that is currently available. So we choose the plan. There you can see the name. If you want to set the name, the duration. So I set this to monthly duration, and the amount is 30,000 naira. So once I click subscribe, you can see my account balance. So once I click on subscribe now, can see that subscription activated. So now the warning message have left the dashboard. So if you come to the filter, you are going to be seeing that this filter here now is now active. So now which means that we can use all these billing services. So now if we click on Binance, you can see that it has load successful. So we can just input the email, the receiver email, and all that. So you can choose your currency, choose the type, is it deposit or withdrawal. If I choose on deposit, you can set a custom warning, then input your amount, then the receiver wallet address, just putting anything, receiver wallet address, then click on generate. So once you click on generate, it's going to be the, I have not setting up the SNTP, so it is not it will, I will not receive the email, but that is why you are seeing this error here now. So now once that we have subscribed, so we can use any services of our choice. So you can see all services are now activated. So this is now the billing services. So this billing services is different from this flashing services. This flashing services is just going to be showing a deposit, like the deposits has been this social amount has been deposited on your account, or you have successfully withdrawn social amount from your account. That is the flashing services. Then the billing services is different. So by now, if you first click on Binance, you can see that the interface is different. So you can see the billing text, you can see the billing text, and you can also see the templates, or you can also use a choose a custom message. So this is using template, and you can also choose a custom message. You can just input whatsoever that you want to input here, or you can just use the template um that is on the system already, or you can use a custom message. So just input your receiver email and all that. So it's going to be sent to their email. Same thing applies to all this. You can see Coinbase. So this is Coinbase and all that. So now if we come to our active subscription, we are going to be seeing our subscription. So this is now, you can see that starting on March 17, 2026, expiring on April 17, 2026, which means that it's a monthly duration. Like I said, you can add any duration of your choice. So I'm just going to be logging into the admin and showing you how the admin work. So when you log into your admin, this is how the admin dashboard look like. So you're going to be saying your total deposits, pending deposit, total email sent, and sent emails, failed emails, active users, block users, total users, and so on and so forth. So this is where you can see all emails that our users have been sending on your platform. So if you see any failed email here, you can just easily resend. So once you resend, the email is going to be delivered. So now, and you can check this. So if you come to users, you are going to be seeing your total users as users. So you can come to email services. So this is where you can be able to send email to users. So you can choose some users, or specific users. So you can just select anyone, then write your email, and so on and so forth. So if you come to manage deposit, this is where you can be able to approve deposits. So I have a pending deposit here now. I'll just click on proceed, and I'm going to be approving this deposit. So again, we have subscription now. So this subscription is total subscription that is going on. Let me say the subscription that use the active subscription of users. Let me just put it like that. So you can see the one that I just subscribed. You can see it March 7 and it's expiring on April 17. It's a monthly plan. So you can change this to expire or cancelled. You can just, once you do, you can just change, click on the update section. It's going to update. So now this is where you can be able to add your plans. So you come to manage plan, available plans. So you can just come to this side and click on create new plan, or you can click on add new plan from here. So in this section now, you're just going to be adding the plan name. I'm just going to be saying test 2, add the plan description, test 2, then the price. I'm just going to be using 15,000 naira. then currency ng. Sorry. All right. Then the cycle you can choose whatever you want. So I'm going to be using monthly. Then you can just input anything as you want. You can just say balance anything. So anything that you want, you can just input here. So then just click on create plan, and the plan is going to be created successful. So which means that when users want to let me say get a plan on your website, they are going to be seeing all your plans. Then they will now choose the one that they want to purchase. So now we can edit this plan also. You can edit it. You can just edit it, then you change whatever that wants to change. You can just click on update plan that is going to be updated. So now if you come to this email transaction, this is where you are going to be seeing emails that has, you can see manage email transaction, start email send pending and failed. So you can delete and you can also add. So now you come to admin, this is where you can add your admin. Then come to settings, come to app settings. So this is where you can add your site information. You can just add your site information. So the total cost, we set this, I configured these scripts so that it's going to be a monthly subscription. But if you need the one that are going to be charging user per email, I also have it. So if you need charge like to be charging user per email, I have it. But this one is a monthly subscription or weekly or yearly, depending on what server plan or duration that you set. So you can come to these preferences. You can set your email, change the currency. This is where you can be able to change your currency. Up you see. So this is where you can be able to change your currency to any currency of your choice. Then you can come here to set up your SMTP. So you can just set up your SMTP and that's all. So once you are done, then you just click on save. So that's it. So you just click on save. So now you come to this side and you can see your payment settings. So you can just come to this payment settings. This way you can be able to add your payment information like bank transfer,
So this
Bitcoin,
is all for the
USDT, TIC,
user and
whatsoever
admin
Bitcoin
section.
that
So
you want to use. So you
I'm going
whatsoever
to
payment
be
gateway that
showing
you want
you
to
how you
use.
can be
So
able
this way you
to
can be able to
install the
set
script. So in
it.
case that you want to set up the script and then you want to know the installation process, so I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be revealing it to you now how you can be able to install these scripts.
Right, so now for us to get started, first you need to get your domain name and your hosting ready. So once you have your domain name and your hosting, so now you need to proceed to the next step. So now we need to locate where we want to install our script. So I want to install it on subdomain. So this is on my subdomain. So I want to install it on this subdomain. So let's click on the site. We see that it's in this page is empty. So the page is empty, right? So now we need to come and upload it. So let me click on upload. Then after that, I will select the file. Select where I store the file. So go back. So this is my file. I'm just going to upload it. So now when why this script is uploading, I just need to go and create our database. So which is very important. So we need to create our database. Then we need to locate the database section. Okay. So are you going to be using database wizard? Then we click on it. So I'm just going to be giving this email flash. Okay. So this as my database. Um. So now we need to input the user. So I'm going to uh, okay. So this is the user. So password. We click on password generator. So just need to choose a simple password. So the password has been not conflict with with the Laravel configuration. So I've chosen my password, then you just need to wait for these strings to be green. Yeah. So now we click on create user. I think my network is very, very slow. All right. So now we need to copy our database user copy, then copy the database, also copy. Then we click on all privileges, then click on make changes. So I think it's still uploading. All right. So is done. Well, we have successfully created our database. So now we need to go back. This is still uploading, right? So just need to upload. Um, you need to upload the database file. You need to upload the database file, right? So we just need to look for the database option. Then we go to PHP in my admin. So this is it here now. Come to PHP in my admin. Just need to give it some time. So now our PHP is downloading. So now we need to upload our database. By doing that, you need to come to your database. So this is the database that we created. You can see it. Then we come to import. So we need to import the SQL file. So I'm just going to check this and go to this select file. Then we import our file. So this is the file that I'm in. Come down and click on import. So now let's check our file. Okay, still uploading. We just need to wait for it to. Now our database is now imported now, and we need to wait for this one to green. Right, so you can see that the file is now green. So we just need to come back, reload this page. So now we need to extract this file. So you just click on extract. Everything is complete. So we just need to extract it. Then we connect our database, and we are good to go. So if we load this page, you are going to be seeing our script here. You are going to be seeing the script. So, all right. So now we need to reload. All right. Then we need to come to settings. Then we click on show all hidden files because we need the .env file. That is where you are going to be editing it and setting up our database. So this is the env file. Then we click on edit. Click on edit. Right, so you can see the let's set the database name. So this is the database. Then the user needs to select the database user. Then the password, we need to change this. All right, the password. So on and again the email, your app URL. So you need to change your app URL also. Changes to the link of your website. So once you're done with that, just need to click on save changes. So now we need to reload this page and it's going to work. All right, you can see that we have successful install our scripts. So now this is how you can be able to install this script. So if you need this script, you just need to click the link in the description for you to be able to get this script. So it's very, very easy to set up and easy So see you in my next video.